Guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. In this video, we will be showing you exactly how to do flips for beginners at home. So how to do flips for beginners at home. If you have a trampoline, these are some tricks you can do at home for beginners. These are really easy tricks, like I said, just for beginners. So the first trick you're gonna want to try is a Misty. So Misties are a really fun trick. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start sideways. You're gonna start, facing this way, facing sideways, and then what you're gonna do is bounce, and then you're gonna throw your arms forward, and then do basically it's like a front flip 180 tucked. So it's basically like this. Just like that. That's a Misty. And that's a really easy, good trick that you can do just for beginners. And then obviously another trick would be for beginners, which this is a little bit more advanced, but it's still for beginners, is a full. So backflip 360. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna swing your arms. You should be able to do a backflip. Learn a backflip. Then once you can do a backflip, you gotta swing your arms and then tuck and then torque to the side. So what it's gonna look like is something like this. I went to the side a little bit, so that wasn't the best, but that's pretty much a few tricks that you can do for beginners. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos. Click the link in the description for my story, and I'll talk to you guys later.